Hello there. In this video, we are going to see Onshape. So we are going to learn about parametric modeling. So first, we will go on the cat.onshape.com. This is a free website. You can sign up and we'll sign in. So I'm going to create my first project here. So let's click on create, then document, and we can name anything. Let's name it A or whatever you want to name it. So after creating the project, it will give us the environment where we can create our models for printing, for manufacturing. So here, as you can see, this is our area where we are going to draw. So this is our feature zone. Here we can see all the objects, like this is the front plane, this is the front one, so sorry, this is the front one, this is the top one, and this is the right one. Whether either we can select here or either we can click on the plane. It's totally up to us. So how can we move in Onshape? We can click the right mouse button and we need to keep holding that button to move around, or you can use this tool over here to do this thing. So you can click on this area or front zone. It will show you the exact location, exact preview of that plane or of that side of the scene. So we are on the front. So how we are going to sketch something? So whenever we are going to design something, we need to select the area where we are going to design our sketch. So let's suppose we are going to design something on the front. So I will click on front here, then I'll go on sketch, and now we can see something new came up here. So this is sketch 1. So we can draw something on this plane with this sketch. So let's suppose I'm going to check this out. I'm going to click OK on this, and then now I want to draw something. If I want to draw something here, I can click on sketch. Click on sketch or right click on sketch. Okay, right click on sketch 1, and then we are going to say edit. Now we can edit here. So first we are going to draw a line or closed profile. What is a closed profile? Let's suppose we are going to take this line. We are going to draw here. Okay, it's the top plane selected here. We can change that by deleting here, then going to the front view or the top view or whatever you like. So I'm going to click on right, and when I select this right one, it will automatically select that plane. Now I can draw here. So this is our line, this is the value, length and width, each and everything we are going to see here again. Whenever you are going to draw like this, so this is our closed profile. I'm going to click escape to get out of it. So now we have a closed profile. These nodes should be connected with each other. Then we have a closed profile. Now if we want to extrude this profile, we are going to click on this tool while selecting the sketch 1. So I'm going to click on extrude, and now we can see object, we can extrude it by clicking on this one, dragging this arrow, or we can put the values here by like 2.5 inches, centimeter, whatever you wanna say, you can put those values here. So this is our first tutorial. We are going to go in details after this video. So if you like this video, subscribe to my channel with the bell icon and have a good day. Bye bye.